Good day, everyone. So we got the next Clarks unboxing. Gonna unbox it and see how the product is. Straight from Clarks. If everyone want to know, get it straight off Clarks.com. Whatever. So it's gonna be kind of a free-handed thing today. I'm gonna try to video it one hand and see if it goes, if it even looks good. The last one was okay. It wasn't that bad, like a couple months ago. So got a nice backdrop too. Snowing outside. Good time for some Clarks. So I'm gonna see if I can open it one hand. If I can't, probably gonna pause the camera or just restart it when I open it. Let me just do it. Alright, we're back. Receipt, and put that down. And they changed their box again, which is interesting. Different color box. So let's get it up. Before I throw it on the ground, I'm gonna see if there's anything else other than the receipt. Well, the order confirmation. Nothing else in the box, in the bag. This is the box. They changed the box again to a black box. Okay. Open. Alright. Alright. Boom. Boom. Alright, so today we got the, I don't remember the color. Rust brown. Oh, that's sticking on. Okay, we got an issue, Clarks. Your sponge is sticking on my sole. That's crazy. So now I'm gonna have to try to dig it off. So this is a rust brown. I got the Desert Trek. I'm trying to put it down. I'm gonna try to put him down and restart the video when I get everything right. So alright everybody, and we're back again. So this is it, the dark rust brown Desert Trek. Sweet is good. It's really good. It's almost good as my Clarks light hands. But yeah, remember my last video too? My last video with Clarks again, they messed up my Cripso. It was all sinking if you go back to that video. I'm gonna try to find a way to get the sponge off of it. But other than that, it's decent shoes. I'm gonna probably do a on feet for you guys just to see how it looks on the feet. But yeah, it's good. Clark Desert Trek dark rust brown. It's actually a good brown. Like, if the thing focus, if it would even focus, it's not gonna focus. It's actually cool. But yeah, I'm gonna do it on feet and be right back real quick. Alright, so we're back with the on feet with the Clarks Desert Trek rust brown, dark rust brown with the polos on. They're nice, a little like scuffed up right here, but when I clean it up, it will be perfect, brand new. But really good, suede quality, fire. I want everybody to see them good. Yep. But yeah, people, that's the video. I'm gonna have my next video come right out. I'm gonna just start uploading a lot of videos. But yeah, peace out.